For this installation, you'll need a slotted screwdriver. On the side with the switch, use your screwdriver in the little slots to gently pry open the lens. Here we highlight the 2 sets of locking tabs. Rotate the incandescent bulb until the ends are vertical. Use your screwdriver to push in the little metal tab to free the bulb. Push the LED bulb into the housing and rotate it until it faces down. Test it, and you can replace the lens. Push in the side opposite the switch, and then push it up to lock it in place. The LED bulb is much brighter than the incandescent bulb. When we measure the output with our light meter, the lux of the LED is almost 6 times brighter than the incandescent bulb.